Hello and Sawadee. This is Teacher Ray again from ACS MLP. MLP stands for Modern Language Program. It was founded in 2004. Now, we have grade 10 and 11. Next year, we will have grade 12 as well. Here in MLP, we prepare your children for the modern world. If you want to find out more about MLP, please visit MLP here in ACS. Previously in my 2 videos, you learned how to log in and log out, and to find your subjects in the dashboard and My Courses. Today, you will learn how to prioritize your work. What should you do first? What can you do later? The website has a tool. It's the events. If you click on events, it will guide you what you should do first and what you can do later. Let's visit the website. Please log in. Do you remember how to log in? Username is ACS and your ID number. Your password is your ID number. Logged in already? Now I'm in the website. I'm on the home page where I see the subjects from different programs. If I go to dashboard, I have access to all my subjects. If I click on any of these icons, the colored ones, I enter the subject. And when I enter the subject, I see all my lessons prepared for me by my teachers last summer. Now, I want to know, what should I do first? Should I do my homework first? Should I take the quiz or do my exercises? The answer is, it depends. If you go to events, click on events, click on events, you will find a list of activities. The first one on the list is the one which is due the nearest. Do that first. Next one, and then the succeeding ones. So you have a list of activities already chronologically prepared for you. So you don't miss on any deadlines. You don't miss the quiz. You don't miss on any important activity. Apart from the list, if you click on upcoming events, you can switch from a list of activities to a calendar. This is what a calendar is. How did I do that again? Upcoming events, I have a list. And then I switch to month. There you go. I have my calendar. This is May 2020. What's the first thing that I should do first? Oh, let me see. May 2020, and I have on May 8th a quiz. I should do this first. And so, if I have a quiz on May 8th, what should I do first? Study, of course, and then review. Prepare for my quiz. How do I prepare for my quiz? I read my lecture. And where is my lecture? It's in my subject. How do you find your subject again? Dashboard and My Courses. And then when you're there, click on the icon for your subject. Read your lecture. What else can I find in the events? And every day, you will see your quizzes, your homework or assignments, and other things, exercises as well. So between the quiz number 1 on May 8th, and exercises on May 28th, what should I do first? Where should I prepare first? Of course, I'll do May 8th. I can even switch to June 2020. The calendar gives you an overview of your activities, a schedule of your activities. You can move on to August, September and the succeeding months. Why? I thought that the online program is only for 6 weeks. No. We commence on May 18, but we will use this website as long as it's necessary. Even if we come back to school to learn in the classroom, we will still use this website as an additional tool to engage you not only in the classroom, but also at your home. Learning simply by clicking. This is Teacher Ray.